Welcome to TWP Motorsports. We've been getting a lot of requests on how to take off and on the mower deck on a 1025. So in this video, we're going to show you how to do that. First step, you're going to take this and drop the deck all the way to the ground, which is gravity fed, so the mower does not have to be on. So after you get the mower down on the ground, you're going to come up to the front of the tractor and reach up towards the front right here to where this locking pin is. So once you pull out this pin, then all of this will come down. And you just remove that from the front. So after we've disconnected the front, we're gonna come to the back and disconnect the PTO shaft from the rear differential. Okay, so right here on the rear PTO, it just has a sleeve collar that you'll just pull back. Then the PTO shaft will slide right off. So we've disconnected the rear PTO, front's disconnected, so everything is apart. Now these pieces here, we're gonna get on the machine and pull forward. That way when this goes forward, we'll raise the deck up and then we'll be disconnected. So as you've seen where the bottom pieces have come up, now we're disconnected. We're gonna take this out of two-wheel drive and we're gonna put this in four-wheel drive. And we're in low, and we're just gonna back right off of the mower deck. Okay, so as you've seen in the video, we are on the concrete, which is a smooth surface. Now, if you're out in the field or in the grass, the deck should stay put. But as you can see, we use chocks because we didn't want it sliding. So the PTO shaft on the back, it just has a collar. So when you're disconnecting and putting it on, you just pull this back with two fingers. That way when it slides on, once you get it started, when you put it back on the tractor, you'll feel it click. So now that we've taken the deck off, we're gonna put it back on. But now to put it back on, we're just gonna do all the steps in reverse. We're gonna drive over the deck, hook up the PTO shaft, hook up the front, we'll be all set. So now that we're over top of the deck and we're installing it, once you're doing that, you can hit your levers for this to go down so your contact point drops down. That way you can line it up with the slots. Now that we're back here, we're gonna line up our splines, push our coupler back, and slide it on. So your bracket is gonna go on the inside and inside. That way, get your pieces. There we go. Clicked into place. So now that we got the tractor all hooked back up, we'll just start it up, raise the deck up, and get to cutting.